Binance, a crypto exchange, hires a former US Treasury criminal investigator. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Crypto Dive. Binance announced Wednesday that it had hired a former US Treasury criminal investigator as its global money laundering reporting officer. This is part of an attempt by one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world to rebrand itself as a regulated financial company. Financial watchdogs and governments are increasingly paying attention to cryptocurrency. They often put in place rules that make it difficult for exchanges such as Binance, which have thrived in an unregulated environment. Binance for illegally operating in Malaysia. Financial regulator reprimanded the exchange for operating illegally in the country. Bloomberg reported earlier in the year that Binance was being investigated by the US Justice Department as well as Internal Revenue Service. Greg Monahan, the new appointee, said that his efforts would be focused on strengthening Binance's international anti-money laundering and investigation programs as well as the organization's relationships with regulatory and law enforcement agencies worldwide. Changpeng Zhao, Binance's chief executive, stated last month that he wants to improve relations and relationships with regulators. He also said that the exchange would seek approval from them and establish a regional headquarters. Wednesday's statement stated that Binance had increased its international compliance team by 500% and advisory board by 500% respectively since 2020. However, not all its recent hires have stayed. Brian Brooks, the chief executive of Binance's U.S. division, and previously acting U.S. comptroller of currency, resigned earlier in this month, only 3 months after he was appointed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.